Okay, today what I'm going to be showing you should be a very simple install. We got a third brake light. Let's get it going. From what I've seen about this is it's supposed to be just a plug and play. It's got this little adapter right here. Okay, there's a little tab on here. Pull it up, pull that out. Plug and play, baby. Put your screws back in. Thank you for joining me on this channel. Alright, that's it today, guys. If you like it, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Simple install today, just plug and play. I could have just used a screwdriver. Bam. I'm going to be doing some more installs on this truck, so subscribe if you want to see some more. Drop some comments on what I should do next. Have a good day.